The Chevrolet Bel Air is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American automotive history, a testament to innovation, and a cultural icon that has left an indelible mark on the world. From its debut in the 1950s to its enduring legacy today, the Bel Air represents a golden era of design, performance, and aspiration. It is a car that encapsulates the spirit of post-war America, a time of optimism, growth, and the pursuit of the American dream. To speak of the Chevrolet Bel Air is to speak of an era when cars were not just modes of transportation but expressions of identity, status, and ambition. The Chevrolet Bel Air first rolled off the production line in 1950 as a top-tier trim level for the Chevrolet Deluxe. However, it wasn't until 1953 that the Bel Air truly came into its own, becoming a distinct model and setting the standard for automotive design in the 1950s. The 1955 model year, in particular, marked a turning point for the Bel Air and for Chevrolet as a whole. This was the year Chevrolet introduced the small block V8 engine, a revolutionary piece of engineering that would become the foundation of American performance cars for decades to come. The 1955 Bel Air, with its sleek lines, chrome accents, and powerful V8, became an instant classic, capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. The design of the Chevrolet Bel Air is a masterclass in mid-century automotive styling. The car's body featured sweeping curves, bold tail fins, and an abundance of chrome, reflecting the optimism and exuberance of the 1950s. The two-tone paint schemes, often in vibrant colors like turquoise, coral, and mint green, added to its visual appeal, making it a standout on the road. The interior was equally impressive, with spacious seating, stylish upholstery, and a dashboard that exuded sophistication. The Bel Air was not just a car, it was a statement, a reflection of the owner's taste and success. But the Chevrolet Bel Air was more than just a pretty face. It was also a car that delivered on performance. The introduction of the small block V8 engine in 1955 gave the Bel Air a level of power and speed that was previously unheard of in a mainstream family car. With options for a 265 cubic inch V8 producing up to 180 horsepower, the Bel Air could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 10 seconds, a remarkable feat for its time. This combination of style and performance made the Bel Air a favorite among hot rodders and drag racers, further cementing its place in automotive history. The Bel Air's popularity was not limited to the United States. It became a global icon, representing American ingenuity and the allure of the open road. In countries around the world, the Bel Air was seen as the epitome of American culture, a symbol of freedom, prosperity, and innovation. Its influence extended beyond the automotive world, appearing in movies, television shows, and music, further embedding it in the collective consciousness. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is perhaps the most iconic model of the series. With its distinctive tail fins, chrome grille, and iconic Chevrolet script on the front fenders, the 1957 Bel Air is often considered the pinnacle of 1950s automotive design. It was a car that perfectly captured the spirit of the era, a time when America was at the height of its post-war prosperity and looking toward a bright future. The 1957 Bel Air remains one of the most sought-after classic cars today, a testament to its enduring appeal. As the 1960s dawned, the automotive landscape began to change. The Bel Air, while still a popular model, faced increasing competition from more modern designs and the growing demand for compact cars. Chevrolet responded by updating the Bel Air's design and introducing new features, but by the late 1960s, the Bel Air had transitioned from a full-size luxury car to a more modest offering in Chevrolet's lineup. The final Bel Air rolled off the production line in 1975, marking the end of an era. Yet, the legacy of the Chevrolet Bel Air lives on. It is a car that continues to inspire and captivate, a reminder of a time when cars were more than just machines, they were works of art. The Bel Air has become a cherished collector's item, with enthusiasts around the world restoring and preserving these classic cars. Car shows and vintage rallies often feature the Bel Air, drawing crowds of admirers who appreciate its timeless design and historical significance. The Chevrolet Bel Air also holds a special place in the hearts of those who grew up during its heyday. For many, it represents a connection to the past, a link to a simpler time when life seemed full of possibilities. It is a car that evokes nostalgia, reminding us of family road trips, drive-in movies, and the thrill of the open road. The Bel Air is not just a car, it is a piece of Americana, a symbol of a bygone era that continues to resonate with people of all ages. In recent years, the Chevrolet Bel Air has experienced a resurgence in popularity, thanks in part to its appearances in movies, television shows, and music videos. Its timeless design and cultural significance have made it a favorite among filmmakers and artists looking to evoke the spirit of the 1950s and 1960s. The Bel Air has also become a popular choice for custom car builders, who use its classic lines as a canvas for their creativity, blending vintage style with modern performance. The story of the Chevrolet Bel Air is a story of innovation, design, and cultural impact. It is a car that helped define an era and continues to inspire generations of car enthusiasts. From its humble beginnings as a trim level to its status as a cultural icon, the Bel Air has left an indelible mark on the automotive world. It is a car that represents the best of American engineering and design, a testament to the power of innovation and the enduring appeal of classic style. In conclusion, the Chevrolet Bel Air is more than just a car, it is a symbol of a time when the automobile was at the heart of American life. It is a car that embodies the spirit of the 1950s and 1960s, a time of optimism, growth, and boundless possibilities. The Bel Air's timeless design, innovative engineering, and cultural significance have ensured its place in history as one of the most iconic cars ever built. Whether on the road, at a car show, or in a movie, the Chevrolet Bel Air continues to captivate and inspire, a true classic that will never go out of style.